Welcome to American Dream Mansions. Today we take you on an exclusive journey inside one of the most luxurious homes ever built in Beverly Hills, the magnificent Palazzo d'Amore. Priced at nearly $195 million, this Mediterranean-style masterpiece is not just a mansion, it's a love story crafted in marble, gold, and glass. As the drone rises above the palm-lined driveway, the estate unfolds like a dream. With over 53,000 square feet of pure elegance spread across 25 acres, Palazzo d'Amore shines as one of the largest and most expensive private homes in America. Surrounded by lush vineyards, manicured gardens, and stunning hillside views, this mansion defines California royalty. From the outside, its stone arches and golden glow under the Beverly Hills sun make it feel like a palace floating between the sky and earth. As the grand iron gates open, you're greeted by a marble driveway leading to an entrance so majestic it leaves you speechless. Step inside and the luxury takes over instantly, a double staircase twisting beneath a crystal chandelier, walls lined with soft gold detailing, marble floors gleaming like mirrors. Every corner tells a story of passion, perfection, and limitless imagination. The living room opens wide with floor-to-ceiling glass windows that offer panoramic views of Los Angeles, velvet sofas, crystal chandeliers, and the calm ambiance of luxury that only a few ever experience. The warmth of the lighting, the texture of the furniture, the reflection of art on polished marble, every frame feels like a Hollywood scene. Move into the master bedroom and it feels like stepping into a royal suite. A king-sized bed faces the breathtaking skyline, silk curtains sway with the breeze, and a private balcony opens toward the endless city lights. Every morning here begins with sunlight spilling through glass walls and every night ends with a view that money can't buy. The bathroom attached to the suite is a sanctuary of marble and gold, a jacuzzi tub surrounded by mirrors, rainfall showers, and a vanity that glows like a movie set. It's more spa than bathroom, designed for those who live life on the grandest scale. The dining area, lined with crystal chandeliers and a massive glass table for 20, feels like an art gallery where every meal becomes a celebration. Just beyond, the gourmet kitchen waits, a chef's dream, wrapped in marble countertops, golden lights, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Below the mansion lies one of its most impressive features, a 15,000-bottle wine cellar, an underground gallery of taste and time. The collection spans generations, and each bottle adds a new layer of sophistication to this home's personality. From the wine cellar, we move to the garage, but not just any garage. This one feels like a luxury car museum, with Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Rolls-Royces resting under soft white light, their reflections dancing on the polished floors. Step outside and the scene transforms again. The infinity pool stretches toward the Beverly Hills hillsides, its blue water reflecting the golden California sunset. As night falls, the lights flicker around the pool and garden, creating a magical glow across the entire property. Music echoes softly from the ballroom, where the mansion hides another secret, a private nightclub, complete with a rotating dance floor, full DJ booth, and stage lighting. Here, nights turn into memories, and luxury becomes lifestyle. The gardens surrounding the mansion are pure paradise, fountains flowing gently, rose pathways lined with palm trees, and every angle perfectly designed for beauty. It's a place made for love, peace, and celebration. Palazzo d'Amore literally means palace of love in Italian, and when you stand here, you feel that emotion in every wall, every view, every breeze that passes through the marble columns. This isn't just a home, it's a dream built from devotion, art, and vision. As the drone pulls back into the sky, the mansion glows like a golden jewel on the hillside of Beverly Hills, its reflection shimmering across the pool. This is more than architecture, it's poetry in stone, a symbol of the American dream, passion turned into perfection, imagination turned into reality. Palazzo d'Amore stands as one of the greatest achievements in modern luxury, a living masterpiece that defines elegance, power, and success. If you loved this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most breathtaking homes in the world. Because here, luxury has no limits.